Hi there, I'm Allie Scarlett. I hope you're doing as tremendously as possible. Um, I have noted that 3 times now in the last 21 games between Utah and BYU, the score has been 24-21. Also, there was a 22-21 game um, last season. BYU won. This comes after 93 and 94. There was back-to-back 34-31 games, so it's fun. Um, I mean, the game itself has been really close. At least since I can recall the game, which started. I can go back to '98 with it. That game. So the first game that I remember between this rivalry, which I'm not saying it's like USC, Notre Dame, or Stanford, Cal, USC, UCLA, Florida State, but it's high. Like, I would say it's right there, right after those games. It's the rivalry is intense, and there has been conference championship implications in some games, including in the since '98 when I remember. That's pretty much it. Like what I've been going by with thinking about the Utah-BYU rivalry. But in '98, I remember like that the very first game it was like a 2 point win for BYU, I think, or a 3 point win. I think a 2 point win. Yeah, I think that Utah would have won if the kicker Ryan Cannichero had made a field goal, but it went off the upright. And then something similar happened in 2012 for BYU in the same stadium in Salt Lake, but Salt Lake City, Utah. But the kicker, like it went off the upright as well. But they also had 2 other chances to win, and they still. And so that was regarded. I saw a YouTube video where that was regarded as one of the best games of all time, and I was able to actually help cover it, help produce content on it for one of the 2 biggest newspapers in Utah. So that was LDS Church owned, but a major metropolitan paper. So that was really that was crazy, and I feel glad to be part of that. And it's just, yeah. I mean, if the games are close, and they're so close that we've had these 93, 94, 34, 31, and 24, 21 in the last 21 years, and then 22, 21, 24, 21, both Utah having the same 21 in the last 2. So pretty wild. Thanks for watching.